What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Coin Expert. This video is hopefully going to be released the same day as I record it, so the 27th of July, as silver continues to rise steeply. Now, I know a lot of you guys probably track with silver and have realized that after the weekend when silver was closed, when all investment markets were closed, like always, they soared. Silver soared. Now, silver jumped up well over $1, $1.50-ish, based on its midday today, based on what it's been kind of hanging around at. It was at $22.90 when it closed on Friday, and this morning when I checked at around 8:30 a.m., it was at $24.50. Now, this is crazy, but I don't want you guys to get too excited. I believe that silver is going to keep going up a bit. I've seen a lot of polls that think people are still going to get have silver going up a bit, but I've also seen a lot of things that have silver taking a dropout pretty soon. Now, silver and gold and really anything you can invest in always drops out after a steep rise. It's historically proven that most of the time it drops out after a steep rise. So my coins, this is just a tiny little bit of the silver that I have, but I thought I'd just show you guys this. These coins, I recently picked up some mercury dimes, that is a lot of them you see here. These coins, great silver investment, but I do want to let you guys know that I'm pretty sure we are nearing the point of the dropout and the point of maximum sell. So, could be completely wrong, but I'm just letting you guys know I probably will come out with another video every time silver jumps a couple dollars. Today was kind of a shocker to people. Some of them thought that it was going to happen. I personally thought I knew it was going to happen. I had a pretty good hunch, but a lot of people are kind of being frantic about their silver. I've heard a couple people talking to me about how silver inflation is not a bad investment. Somebody did a response to my last video talking about how silver's going up, and so I kind of this is kind of a response to that, kind of just telling you guys that silver is now in the 24. It's been stable all day in the 24. Now, I'm not sure if it'll have a pullback like when it jumped into $23 and then kind of went back to $22.50 and stabilized around there until Friday. But I just wanted to let you guys know that silver is there. What should you do with your silver? Really, you guys should be doing whatever you want. I personally am going to hold back on silver. I kind of just changed my mind a little bit right now, but I personally think I'm going to keep holding back on silver because I'm not really sure that it's going to keep going up a ton, and I'm just not really confident that it's going to keep going up. And so I kind of want to be safe, and I believe that if you're going to buy so high, then during this dropout, silver is going to go way down, and then when it plateaus, I feel like everything is going to be worth less than what I bought it for, because historically, silver goes like that, then it goes like that, then it plateaus out. So it's here, then it's here, then it's here, then it's there. So this started out here, but now it's here, but the highest peak was here. So I just don't think that buying anything more than that, anything more, any precious metals or anything more than right here is really a smart idea. Now, if silver keeps having this upward trend, I might pick up a couple more ounces, but I feel like this is not, I feel like this is a pretty good resting zone. I just purchased a few more ounces, but I think that might be the last of my purchases right now. Now, I also wanted to address this on video. A guy named Gold Eagle Coins is his channel. He kind of gave me a shout out on his channel, but also was talking about how inflation is not a bad thing. And I agree, it's not a bad thing. It means our economy's growing. It means everything is growing. But when inflation happens too quickly, he gave the analogy of if you have $1,000, $100,000 on your mortgage, and inflation goes down, then your boss can pay you more, all those different things, but you still owe $100,000. That is a very good point, but you can't really count on inflation because what if that's not your only investment? What if you have stocks what if you've invested in stocks? What if you invested in mutual funds? All these different types of actual non-material investments that you're just investing in a business or company, not like silver and all that type of stuff. Not trying to call them out or anything, but I do feel like how small of a return in inflation can be. Like, say inflation went up a bunch, but you still lose money on your investments if inflation goes up a bunch, because yes, inflation is not bad. It means our economy is growing, and a healthy amount over time is not bad. But I do feel like if that's not your only investment, then your other stuff's going to go down, and at a certain point, you're going to make like a 2% return. So 2% of $100,000 is like 2%, obviously. So for a certain point, you don't want to try to drive inflation up just so you can make a 2%, when silver, like I said, is going up substantially and money is going down over time. So that's why I told you guys it is a very good idea to invest in silver. And actually, he just posted a video today talking about how he saw something that is going to change his mind. He is going to go silver now. Not really sure, but all I know is that money's going down and silver's going up. So like I said, I'm probably going to hold on to it right now, my silver, and try to sell it at its peak. Probably not going to pick up anymore unless it's still given an upward trend like it did last time it spiked up to $48 a couple years back-ish. But I do feel like this is a good safe haven right here. If it starts to go down, it should drop like $1 or $2 and then completely bottom out. So I feel like after it drops a couple dollars, that's when you should sell them. And then when it bottoms out, go back and buy your silver again, because a lot of people are going to be selling it. It's just kind of a crazy market. People can have a ton of silver. There can be a huge demand with silver, and the silver prices can be way low, or there can be no demand for silver and the prices can be way high. It just is a crazy market. I've heard people compare it to the value bull market, that this is kind of like, it's not really based off of anything. Silver prices go up, they go down. A lot of times they are based off of certain things, but a lot of times these things can go down for no specific reason at all. And we don't really want that to happen, obviously, because this is what we invest in. We have money in this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, please. That really helps out the channel. And as always, good luck and happy collecting. But also, before you guys leave, I did want to add that currently the What Is It and How Much Was It Worth series is postponed. There are a couple things that, a couple components that need to be worked out, but I just wanted to let you guys know that for the couple of you that are still here after the outro. Just thought I'd let you guys know that. I'll probably put it in the description or something, but just thought I'd let you guys know that. But again, happy collecting, see you next time, and thanks for watching this video.